Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So, in this lecture, we will see how to make use of certain text commands. Okay. So, for example, you see here, I have a name written here, right? I want to find how many characters are here. For example, 𝗥𝗲𝗃 𝗔𝗐 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, there are 10 letters in this, right? I want to find how many letters are there. So, there is option in Excel where you can find such thing. So the simple option is that you need to write len. So equal to symbol len. So if you write len, you can see this len command. Click on this, open the bracket, bracket will open. It will ask you where is the text, what is the text you have. So I'll click on this and I'll close the bracket and I'll say enter. So it has given me there is 19 characters in this. And now if I try to drag it like this, isn't it? So everywhere it will show me how many characters are there. For example, let me go with one number. I'll go with this 𝗏𝗀. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see 5 is given here. In the same way, you can see here this one. I'll go with Naeem Malik. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But it is showing 10. So here what happens? So there is a gap between this Naeem Malik, right? You can see this in between Naeem and Malik, there is a gap. So it will consider that gap as a character. So that is why you are getting 10. Now the moment I decrease, rather than that, what I'll do, I'll take it out. I'll make it as a single word. And now if I hit enter, it will show 9 here. You concentrate here. So it will be showing 9. So you can see it has changed into 9. So this is one way of doing. Okay, fine. After that, we'll go to the next command. So the next command is about, let us say in this particular name, Adil, I want only the first 3 letters to come. I want only the first 3 letters to come. So what I'll do, I'll keep it here. I'll say equal to sign. I'll say left, left. That is from the left, only 3 characters I require. So I'll click on left, open bracket. It is asking me what is the text. So this is the text what I have. And then it will ask me, I put a comma here and ask me how many numbers. So I'll say starting 3 letters I want. So I'll say 3 here and I'll close the bracket. I'll hit enter now. So you can see what has happened. ABH it is giving me. Wait. So it took the different this thing. Yeah. So left. So this guy, comma, I want 3 characters. Okay, 3 letters, and I'll close the bracket. I'll hit enter button. So you can see AAD. That is the first 3 letters what I have, right? So it is coming AAD. Now if I try to drag it like this, you can see the first 3 letters, whatever you have in the name, no, same it will come here. For example, ABH. So this Abhishek ABH it will come. Here it is Alok ALO. So ALO is coming. Now in the same way, we'll go to the other option. Next option is about the right option. Now left I did, I'll go to the right one. So again for the right, the command is equal to sign RIGHT right. Okay, click on this, open the bracket. So this is the text what I'm looking for. I'll say I want 4 letters and I'll close the bracket. So from here it will take 4 letters and I'll say enter. So this open bracket what you have, no, it has even taken that. Okay, so this open bracket is, you can see it here, and then SSS. So 3 and this open bracket is 4. So 4 character will come. Let me try to delete this. It's not required. Let me try if it works out. Yeah, now you see HOOR, right? This is the last 4 letters what I have. So it has given HOOR. And if I try to drag it down, so you can see here you can see Kumar. From Kumar, what it has taken UAMR. You can see UMAR. Then from Yadav, it has taken ADAV. So ADAV. So in this way, you can make use of this option. And now left is done, right is done. Now we'll go with one more, that is a middle. So if you want some middle number, middle letters from here, how we are going to write? So you will write equal to sign MID, middle. Okay, this is mid. Open the bracket. It is asking you the text. So this is my text. Now you should tell him what is the start number. Okay, that is you have to tell the start number, from where it has to start. So I want to start after the second character, that is A and A. After A, it has to start. Okay. I want only the DIL to come here. So DIL should come here. So this D is starting after the double A, right? So first and second. So I'll write 2. And then I'll put another comma. Then it will ask me how many characters you want. So I want only the 3 characters. DIL is 3 character, right? I'll say 3 and I'll close the bracket. I'll hit enter. Okay. Yeah. So I'll hit the enter button. So it is giving me Adi. So that means what we have understood is wrong. So here I'll tell you. So I clicked on 2, right? So this 2, that is the second number 2, it will start from there. So it took Adil. So instead of 2, I'll say 3 now. I'll say 3. Now it should give me DIL. Yeah, see, it's giving me DIL. You're able to understand? So I'll put the same formula here. Let me go with a different condition. For alog, I'll say equal to sign. I'll write MID middle, mid. I'll say open bracket. Now I'll select this thing. Okay. Wait, let me go down. Here, let me do that. Okay. So alog is here, right? Yeah, this one. Equal to sign MID mid open bracket. So this is a text what I'm looking for. Is asking me from where you want to start. So I want LOK, okay? I want only LOK to come here. So LOK, so L is my second one, right? L is my second letter. So I'll say second, comma. After that, how many letters you want? So I want LOK. So LOK is a 3 letter. I'll say 3 and I'll close the bracket. I'll hit enter. So you can say LOK has come. So in this way, you can make use of these options and you can use it. But again, these options we regularly don't use it, because if you remember, I had explained you this flash fill command. So if you understand the flash fill command, these options are actually not required. Now, rather than doing this, I can go with the flash fill command also, right? So just I'll write the first 3 letter, that is AAD, I'll write here. And now AAD I have written, I'll use the flash fill command. So what is the shortcut for the flash fill? If you remember, I'd explained you the flash fill part. So tell me what is the shortcut for that? The shortcut is Control E, right? The shortcut is Control E. So what I'll do is I'll Control C. I'll just drag a wait. Yeah, I written it here. Then I'll say I'll just drop. I'll copy it like this, and I'll say Control E. I'll say Control E. It's not coming. Let me do that. Yeah, so I tried with the flash fill, so it doesn't work flash fill. In that case, you can go with this option, because here the data, Excel is not able to understand the data. So if you want, let me do that. So I'll written AAD, okay, and then I've written ABD, and now I'll select. I'll say Control C, and I'll click select like this, and I'll say Control E. So it's telling we looked at all data next to your selection and didn't see a pattern or filling in values for you. To use the flash fill, enter a couple of examples. So that means since the value is, since you have a lot of names here, Excel is not able to understand the pattern. So in that case, you can go with this option like left, then you can make use of the middle and the right option. That can be done. Okay. Yeah. So if you want, the flash fill can be applied here also. So if you want, I'll do one flash fill here. I'll write 001. So this is 001. Then I'll write, okay, I'll write 001. So whenever you want to write 001, it will not come. You have to press comma, not the comma. 001, it will come. Okay. And here it will be again 002. And now I'll select, I'll say Control C. I'll go like this and say Control E. Should come, it's not coming. Then let me go with 004. And now let me select Control C. Control E. Yeah, maybe there is some problem. No issues. I'll check it again. Okay. Anyhow, we'll continue with this because the flash fill command, it's not working. No problem. So we understood the left, we understood the right, we understood the middle option. Now we'll go to the another option, that is about the uppercase and the lowercase. So what exactly is this lower and uppercase? For example, this name what I have, Adil. All the letters here are in uppercase, right? I want this to be made in the lower case. So what I'll be doing, I'll write here LORWER, yeah, equal to LOWER, lower. Click on lower, open bracket. This is the text and close it. Hit enter. So you can see here Adil Zaur, all the letters are in small letter. And now what I'll do, I'll just drag it like this. Okay. So you can see here, right? Everything. Abdul Rahman, Abhishek Kumar, Akash Yadav. We can see everything is a small letter. Now in the same way, you can do it uppercase also. Now I'll do this uppercase. I'll say equal to, I'll say UPPR upper, open the bracket. This is a text I'll take. Okay. And I'll close the bracket. Now you can see everything is in uppercase, right? Now again, if I try to drag it, so it will come like this. Got it, right? Fine. Now we'll go to the last option. So last is, let us say, I want only the first letter, that is A, and the second second word first letter Z. Both has to be capital, rest all should be small. So in that case, there is an option called as proper. So equal to sign PROPER, proper. Okay. Click on that proper. Open the bracket. So click on this and close the bracket. Simple. So you can see in Adil Zahoor, A is capital, and in Zahoor, Z is capital, right? So this is another way of writing, where your first, you can see in Ankit Kumar, A is capital, in Kumar, K is capital, rest A, N, K, I, T. Here it was capital, but here it is taking small. So in this way, you can make use of these text options, and wherever it is required, you can try to apply that. So try to practice up to here, so that you get an understanding how to make use of this left, middle, right, lowercase, uppercase, and proper option in the Excel. And whenever you get such situation, you can make use of it. Yeah, so previously in the flash field, we were facing a problem, right? So let me fix that problem. So I'll write here AAD, okay? And now I'll select it like this, and I'll say Control E. So you can see it has taken, Excel is able to understand, so it has given ABD, ABH, ABH, AK. So same thing, either you apply the formula left and then select the text and write that you want the 3 characters, it will give. Or you can make use of the flash fill command. So that also can be done. Okay. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to use a formula. Even with the help of flash fill command, you can get the answer. But again, since these are the commands what we have in the Excel, that is why I thought to explain it here. So try to practice up to here. We'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.